In this tutorial, you'll learn how to handle navigation with Qodly. We have this main welcome web form and this other patient's web form. On the welcome web form, we set up a navigation action on the patient's web form in a new tab. The navigation is done in a new tab. On the welcome web form, we set up a navigation action on the patient's web form in the current tab. The navigation is done in the current tab. Let's drag and drop a web form loader component on the welcome web form and set up its styles for a better understanding. On the welcome web form, we prepare a navigation action in a web form loader. Note that this web form loader component has an internal reference. We set up a navigation action on the patient's web form in a web form loader. We indicate the reference of the web form loader in the navigation action. The navigation is done in the web form loader. We have a doctor's web form. On the patient's web form, we set up a navigation action on the doctor's web form in the current web form loader. The navigation is done in the current web form loader. Thank you for watching.